Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install automatic irrigation system. This is the existing sprinkler I have. A lot of people do dripping, but you have to change the pressure system. This is the easiest way to do it. So you just unscrew this. Okay, and this is a metaphor that you can buy from Home Depot or Lowe's. Any nursery store, they carry those, or Amazon even. And just screw this on. Each one, they have a little screw, so you just take this out. I found this is the easiest one to use. The other ones, it's just easy to break. And this is a 1/4 inch tubing that you're going to attach this to it. So to put this in the hot water, that way it's easy to snap on this little tube here. Make sure it's all the way in. When it's hot water, it makes it a lot easier. See, that's not long enough. That's a good lesson to learn. Take that out. We'll do that again. Let's make it softer so it's more pliable. I think that's good. Let's try it again. All the way in. That's it. That's good. So this one, I'm going to use it for my blueberry pot, and I just measure it. So this is like, I gave a little bit extra to here. I'm going to cut it. So the other end, you use the raindrop, and I found this is it's a fan spray, so it's a lot easy to use. Just take it out. And lesson to learn: keep it for a longer time. This is boiling water. The hotter, the better. Can be hotter than boiling water. Put this in. Oh, this is easy. So just put it in, turn it on, and this one you need to turn it on too. And I have this special screwdriver just for that. You don't need to turn a lot, just a little bit, and then we're going to test it. I'm going to turn on the sprinkler. You can see, and this is adjustable, this is adjustable, and then you have 4 outlets you can choose to use for any of a pot. Let me turn it on so you can see it. Whoa. So this is too much. I'm going to adjust it to smaller. That's good. This is the other one. So this is for this. Oops. The irrigation system, watering part is very important of the gardening. So it's very important to be automate it so you don't have to worry about not enough water, and so the plant gets enough water consistently. That's all for today's video for the installation of an irrigation system. If you like my video, just subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.